Andy sells CDs. He sells He sells each CD for £8.80 plus VAT at 17.5%. He sells 650 CDs. How much money does Andy get? So the first thing we have to do is, so he sells the CD for £8.80, but we have to find out what this VAT at 17.5% is, and then add the total amount of VAT plus £8.80 to find like the total price he sells each CD at. So what we have to work out 17.5% of £8.80. So what we do is we just do 0.175, which represents 17.5%, times £8.80, which is then going to be 0.175 times £8.80, which is then £1.54, and this is the VAT. We then got to add this £1.54 for this to the CD, so this is then £8.80. So then we get £10.34, and that's the, like, you can think of that as total and the total price of each CD, selling price of each CD. Okay, and now what we want to do is, he doesn't just sell one, he sells 650 of them. So we then take this £10.34 and times it by 650, and then we get our total answer. Which is then £6,721. Straightforward if you know how to do it, true. But the key to this, I think the real key to this question is understanding this 17.5% and the VAT. So you have to first of all work out 17.5% of £8.80, which we've done here. Then we add this 17.5% of £8.80, £1.54 to the £8.80 of the CD, and then we get the total selling price of each CD. Where a lot of students might actually go wrong is they just think, oh, okay, so we do £8.80 times it by 650, we get an answer. No, that's not correct. But often you can tell how much working is required in the question due to how amount of marks allocated. We see that this is where 4 marks is, so we know it's not going to just be one straightforward sum where that might be 1 or 2 marks. It's going to be a steps building up to the right answer.